This is our Airbnb, the Pecan Cottage. Entrance is on the side. We have a code that you put in order to enter. You enter into our sunroom, and we have some arcade games, Mortal Kombat and Pac-Man. Down here we have some more games for our guests. Then we have the living room, 65-inch TV with some free apps. And we go into the dining room. And from the dining room, there's the kitchen. Here we have a grill outside, so we offer some charcoal. This is for the grill outside. Some utensils, even a picnic basket just in case our guests may want to have a picnic somewhere. Then the kitchen, we offer complimentary coffee and some teas. Up here we have some brown sugar, regular sugar, flour, and oil, just to start off our guests if they feel like cooking anything. Then we have plates, cups, bowls, and we have a tea set, some glasses. Then we also have seasonings, various amounts, and in here we have some extra salt and pepper and the utensils and measuring cups. Then off of the kitchen, that's a little welcome center we have for our guests. We have some Let's Eat aprons just in case they want to cook or grill outside. We have the laundry room with some basic cleaning supplies. And up here, we start our guests off with some dryer sheets, Swiffer cloths, dusters, laundry pods, just in case they want to do any laundry. This is the master bathroom that you can enter off of the laundry room. And down here we offer just a few cleaning supplies to get them started. And we also offer some complimentary shampoo, body soap, and conditioner. This is the owner's closet, so that is locked. This is the master bedroom. We have a 43-inch TV in here. We have a desk in here as well. The lamp has outlets, and then it also has the USB ports. Then the king size bed, and the lamps on here has the USB ports as well. This is the hallway that leads into the dining room, guest bedroom, and the guest bathroom. In the hallway we have some towels, extra pillows here, and some extra sheets. This is actually for the sofa bed, which is right there. It's a queen size bed. And we even have a first aid kit, some Lysol, extra blanket. And this is the guest bedroom with 2 twin size beds, some luggage racks, and on each bed there's 2 drawers. And the first drawer has extra set of sheets and a blanket. So we normally have long stays here, so that's why we have the extra sheet. And this is the second drawer. Then you can access the guest bedroom from the living room. So there's this glass door. And we'll go out to the deck, which is right off of the kitchen. In the backyard, we have some seating. We have the grill. It's the driveway, the gate to get into the house. Our pecan tree, which will be in bloom soon. And we also have a huge Connect 4 that our guests could play. And that is our home.